Accra is too expensive for me. In a day, I spend 800 cedis. Kaswa is not expensive. I do moderate expensive. I remember when I came to Accra, the man who rented for me rented for 5 years, paid for 5 years for me, so that I don't suffer. Now it's here 3,500. Our big men are using this same road, and because they are using 4x4, you know, they don't feel it. I bought my car brand new. You know the way I was somersaulting on top of the car when I was living in Accra. It was fresh. Trending Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, America, Ukrainian, and everywhere. Dubai. But look at it. Now my car has jocalized since I came to Kaswa.
I can say.
Inshallah.
How do you see the place first?
Very beautiful. I remember my first time coming here, I was like, what? Who is doing this project? Or who did this project? That's the English. And then they mentioned the name to me and say, I don't even know him. Me, I'm a villager also, you know. I only know my room and my car working and blah, blah, blah. I entered, I said, especially when I saw the container.
Yeah, apartment.
I said, hey, I've not seen that before.
Everything is container. Container on the end of my decorating inside. You call inside tour. Now, a very nice place. Kokobita Hills, no so. Kokobita Hills. So and I Villa de Tuger. Just search it on all platforms, all online platforms. I just search for Villa de Tuger. You get it. Then you book a night, 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Book Villa de Tuger. At the same, how is Ghana for Akuapem Poloo? And that's no more inside. Ghana costs a amount.
Permit me to give me like 1 year here to stay because I'm paying rent, my son's school fees, doing all alone. And what am I doing? I don't have any tangible, reasonable business doing. If I don't have calls to shoot a movie, if I don't have call to do any commercial for the commercial plan, the social media one I get. I don't get billboard and blah blah blah. But I'm content, you know. It's not easy.
So you don't. So to
the peony, but Zion, the peony, it comes once in a while.
How is it supposed to? When you touch me business,
oh yeah, back home. Me and my boss shut in to check. Okay. And now back so will be flashing to check me. Okay. It's no phone some kitano. Alhamdulillah. Me from
so your cost of living now. A man for so far compare with their own Zebia. Or they will hire us or more they will not see if they can live at where you are. What's in Kaswa? Is it expensive to live at Kaswa?
Oh, for now I would say to me it's moderate because yeah, that's why I move here. Okay. Accra is too expensive for me.
Not your Canabasi. Now what's it that be 2 bedrooms?
Oh, now it's 2 bedroom self-contained. Our child.
Okay. How much was that?
Cantonment.
It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. Now it's here 3,500.
Streets.
Yes.
A month.
3,500. Those days, because maybe I say 4 years.
What the hell?
I'm telling you, so it was too much paying my son's school fees, feeding my son, and I'm the only child.
So 3,500 times 1 year.
Yeah.
Every month has now changed 1 year.
Me 2 years.
3,500 times. I'm not calculation.
I mean, be family.
No, they say iPhone. How to so 3,500 times 24, 84,000 cities.
Yeah.
I don't just remember. Then, like 4 years ago, where were you getting that money?
You know, those days I was hot and I was signing deals. Not to talk of, you know, I signed a 2-year contract with Pinaman Cosmetics. Yeah. That woman, I really made money, and she also made this thing out of me. Yeah, we both supported each other. She was there for me. She was even helping me to pay my son's school fees. Okay. She did a lot for me. And so I'm so grateful to her. That's why I wouldn't say anywhere to mention her name wrongfully. Yeah.
But in the past, you used to mention her name wrongfully.
No, in the past, my pain was signing other people.
Okay. Yeah. I don't want us to go there. I just want us to focus on. I mean,
my past, that was my problem, and I didn't want to talk about her at all. Okay. And because I was on a skincare brand, but now I'm done with a skincare brand, so now I can talk about.
Okay. Yeah. So you're paying 84,000 for 2 years. Oh, child. Yeah. I'm sure it's a better Channel is very expensive.
Yes, please.
They not charge even in dollars.
Yes.
Okay. And you moved here, Kaswa. How much is it for a month?
1,500.
2 bedroom house.
Yeah, 2 bedroom.
Self-contained.
Self-contained, everything's solid.
Living room.
You know my living room too is spacious. Yeah. All the rooms are spacious.
In the whole 1 year, 6 months, 2 years.
2 years. When I'm renting, I remember when I came to Accra, the man who rented for me rented for 5 years, paid for 5 years for me, so that I don't suffer.
Also 1,500 a month.
Yeah, 1,000 a month.
I was like
from 3,500 to
2,500. Say in your full house.
It's not a full house.
The apartment.
The apartment.
But you have a job, a full house.
Really?
I have a full house.
Thank you.
And see, they end up by me 1,002.
Right.
Around my place now. Hey, I don't want to see me.
They will Akuapem.
So having said that, in fact, I have an apartment for short stay. I have a 2-bedroom apartment for short stay. Just call 0245 517650 0245 517650. It is fully furnished. Do you answer over time? Like you know about AC, BBR, like Wi-Fi, everything is inside. Spacious car park. So 0245 517650 50. You can WhatsApp us too. So Ubakaswano, I think it's expensive here.
Kaswa is not expensive to me because the things I do moderate expensive to my
expenses.
Yeah.
Expenses, okay.
Yeah. So it's Kaswa is not expensive for me. Just say, you know, all my work is in So it's like always low income.
On a normal day, Akuapem Poloo PR, like how much would you spend?
Okay, in a day I spend like 800 cedis a day. Yeah, my son's fee, a bus and feeding fee. Myself will eat, fuel and up and come and things I'll be buying and be doing out there.
800 cedis a day.
Because when I get out, I have a lot of things to do. I do a lot of runs, and if I have to go and deliver pure honey, imagine fuel and going to people's houses. By the time I'll come, fuel 500 is already gone.
Okay, so 800 times 31, about 800 times 1 month. Oh, they calculate that hear me. 24,000.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money in a month.
In a month. In a month.
That's what
Cameroon, because that place really pulls you. Yeah. My son's school fees that I'll pay there, because here my son is in one of the best school here. That's why people don't laugh at me.
Okay.
Video.
How school fees are saying? No more than power.
Not really.
Okay. Because I talk to people for us to look at the living here in Ghana. The living there. How it is.
Okay. So his school fees is 3,500.
A term.
Yeah.
Where are they?
Thank you.
Where are they? Okay, so what's your school fees here? Then account school. Feeding fee, as I would
baby feeding income. School fees no income. And a feeding fee, bus fee, mitian everything. 10 year, mitia, feeding fee and bus.
So feeding fee different, bus is different. Bus not a 10 months or 1 or 2 years.
Baby mitian a 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one go school 2 days compare a she go to.
One call, a shake.
Okay. But how much are they?
Oh, very good.
Okay.
Very good, because my son came from Suhum. He came out 2020, and he has really picked up. He's 10 and he's in stage 4 now, class 4, going to class 5.
Okay.
And he's picking.
How much do you spend on fuel?
Okay, if I have to go out, 350 a day.
Every single day.
I sometimes I even buy some when I'm out, but men touch me buying and out 350. But if I have to be roaming, by the time at the best time I say I'm coming back, then the best is 600. Because if I have to leave also to East Legon, coming in and out, 400 cities will go.
100 cities.
Yeah. So it's like that.
Is it expensive to live in Ghana?
It's expensive. It's expensive. Sometimes I feel like going back to my village and be eating the contomine and things like that. Soon, Kweshia. Yes, I want to go to Kweshia.
And I rent it from where?
Oh, it's affordable. Oh, affordable.
But say you don't get the money you are getting here.
Yeah, that is it. And meaning if I have to be driving in and out. So that's the side, the disadvantages. Yeah, we want to live a city life, so. And since 2008 that I came to Accra, I don't go to school and sleep. I go there and come. Even if it's midnight. If I go there to have a show, I come back to Accra. So.
Just before you go, you stay at Kaswa. You use the Kaswa Malam stretch. When it rains, what do you see on the road?
Today I was very mad because my car, they under a lot of noise. Because sometimes when it rains, the rain covers the holes. The Kaswa road has some potholes, especially when you are coming from Kaswa to Accra. There's this after the toll booths, have very deep holes, manhole. I would say. So today, where I passed, I think because of the Charlie, my car has joctalized.
It joctalized.
I joctalized it. The road is bad, very very bad, and I'm thinking about because of the people close there. It's a man heap of the sun. It is not totally now.
That is what I was about saying. It was me trying to tell. Mostly I asked them a question, they answer. I also stayed. Let me add my voice to it. It is bad. And yet this year the best started. I've been here for 4 years. Before I came here, I was moving up and down for the construction of my property. And maybe so it means that all by 5. It's been there since 30. In Sotoa, from Kaswa toll booth to after West Osmos, I traveled like that. Bad. Very. It wasn't to be tackling. Now, if you can't air comalam, no, only a switch lane. No. So if you malam or bow, if you can't communion one lane, and the traffic is crazy. If you want to use the routes network, beach road and so on, a better than bad, you can't cry. Now it's traffic as I don't know, like this thing has been happening each and every year. We keep talking about it, and almost nothing is there about it. It is very bad. It is very, very, very bad. I know say and I don't know what they are doing about it. This can never happen in Kabuchi because I'm Ghana. But it is bad. I think it is time we check those things because it causes a lot of traffic.
And this road is a major road. They use it to Takradi, Bogoso, everywhere. Our big men are using this same road, and because they are using 4x4, they don't feel it. I bought my car brand new. You know the way I was somersaulting on top of the car when I was living in Accra. It was fresh. Trending Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, America, Ukrainian, and everywhere. Dubai. But look at it. Now my car has joctalized since I came to Kaswa. Now I need to go and get Zion 4-wheel drive. That car, my eye day inside. I also want package Zion. Many be bad. Oh, dear.
Send them and the first game to some fresh car. Fresh car.
This is a car Zion Dubai, and then
don't forget
you rotate and somersault.
Thank you very much. Go from do a chairman call. That's just basically some of the lifestyle of Akuapem Poloo here in Ghana. Maybe I would no be below. Or say when she was near too much, so she had to come to Kaswa. Also, maybe I want a too higher move it to where you can. We can a too low for you. Now, say Accra, we say upgrading one. Now, we upgrading. My name is Akuapem Poloo here at Villa the Tuger at a Kokrobite Hills. We'll just search for it on map to bring you here direct. Bye-bye.
Today they say where I stay is troublesome small, so I should come here and relax my body. Look at these bones. It's overworking because I have to work hard. Oh, we are still hustling. My boss is still hustling. After everything he has, we are smart for rest. So please bring your side chick to